watching. I really enjoyed making this video as much as I enjoy making these books. I make these books all the time. They're incredibly easy to make. You don't need all this specialty equipment. All you need is 12 pieces of paper, something for the cover, a stapler, and an X-Acto knife with a straight edge. Your cover could be a photograph. It could be thick paper with a drawing on it. Experiment and have fun with it. Special thanks to Barrington High School. I teach graphic design there. To see some other projects that my students have made, you can check us out on Instagram at WeMakeVHS. I hope you learn a little bit from this video. I hope you go out and make a book by yourself. If you make a book for yourself, make sure you take a photograph of it, use the social media, tag me, use hashtag #InkedAndNailed. Stay tuned for the second half of this video where I make a leather cover or something to protect the book. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my Instagram at @InkedAndNailed to see some other projects that I've been working on. If you have any ideas for other projects you think I should tackle, leave them in the comments below. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. I want to make 24 videos in 2019. That's my goal. Please support the page by subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, sharing on all your social media platforms. Use hashtag #InkedAndNailed. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.